Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve the F12. Normally for beginners method, you would start by solving the white cross and then solve one layer at a time, layer by layer. If you do what's called F12, you can solve the first two layers simultaneously. That involves solving this corner and this edge, which is a corner edge pair, and this corner edge pair and this corner edge pair, for a total of 4 edge pairs. So the first thing you need to know is a couple of extremely simple algorithms. So to insert this corner edge pair to here, we need to do is R U prime R prime. Now it's inserted. Clearly, to insert this corner edge pair to here, we need to do is L prime U L. Now it's correct. If you have a corner here and the edge is here, what we should do is R. Now it's connected. U to bring this here and R prime. Now it's completed. Clearly, now it is in the left side. The corner is here and the edge is here, and these do not match. We need to do that in the opposite. L prime U prime L. Now it's also correct. Start taking green and orange pairs. The green and orange corner is here and the edge is here. We should look at both are in the top layer. The corner is not. So we should do is take this up. We should put this cross piece back, so we should rotate it and put that cross piece back. Now both are in the top layer. We should look is the white facing up? No, it is not facing up. So we should put it here and the corner is here. The edge is here. The edges here is green and here is also green. Then it will match up. What we should do is put this down and this edge should make it here and up. Now it is connected. Now we should do that algorithm that we did. L prime U prime U L. Now it is inserted. Now we have the edge here and the corner here. Since white is not facing the upwards, it is the same case. Since these two do not match, if we put this together, this will not be a pair. So we need to do is put this edge here. So we need to do is put this down and move the edge here and put this back. Now it is, these two are paired. We need to insert it like R U R prime. Now we are taking the orange and blue pairs. The edge is here and the corner is here. This time white is facing up. This is a lot easier thing. We should do is take this corner and match it up and move this slot, empty slot up, and match this up and down, up. Now this is correct. We can insert it by L prime U L. Now this is also solved. These are only the concepts for solving the F12. However, there are special cases like this. These two are a corner edge pair, and this is not correct. In our, what we normally do is attach this corner edge and put this down, but in this case the corner is down, so we should do a special algorithm to solve this. But you don't need to solve this algorithm, you don't need to learn this algorithm to solve your cube. We can do that by splitting them up. What we can do is put this down and move this away and put this up. Now we can do this like what we did previously. Match this, put this down, attach it, and now we can insert it. One thing you should know is we can't do this with a solved step. If we do this to break this up, this will also get messed up. So we should only do it with an empty slot like this. Then only we can do that like that. Now we are going to do an example solve. I am taking green and orange. Green and orange edge piece is here and the corner piece is here. So the white is facing up. So we should match it and move this away. Put the corner with it and insert. Next I am taking red and green. Red and green corner and edge. The corner is here and edge is here. We will do that in the same way. Match this up, move this away and put these two and do the insertion. Now blue and red, it is here, blue and red is here and the corner is here. So we should do is split these two up, like move this corner edge and put this corner here, and this is an empty slot, so put that here and down. Now these two are here. Now we did this previously. These two are not same colors, so it will not be correct. So we should do it in the opposite. We should put it here, and now these are paired. We can insert it like this, and the last is these two, and we can put this here and split the corner from here to here, and we can insert it like this. And now we solved the F12. Thank you.